How to make a DIY face mask. Hello, beauty enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare and self-care. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own DIY face mask using natural ingredients that you may already have in your kitchen. Let's get started on this pampering journey. Selecting ingredients host. Before we begin, let's explore the ingredients you'll need for this DIY face mask. Depending on your skin's needs, choose from the following. 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of mashed banana. Feel free to mix and match these ingredients based on your skin type and concerns. Preparing the face mask base. Now, let's create the base for your face mask. In a mixing bowl, mash or blend your chosen ingredient, such as avocado, banana, or yogurt. This will serve as the nourishing base for your mask. Adding additional ingredients. Once you have your base, it's time to enhance your face mask with additional ingredients. You can choose from the following options. For hydration, add honey, aloe vera gel, or coconut oil. For exfoliation, incorporate oatmeal or lemon juice. For brightening, include a teaspoon of turmeric. For tightening, mix in an egg white. Remember to add these ingredients gradually and mix well until you achieve a smooth and consistent texture. Now that your DIY face mask is ready, it's time to apply it to your cleansed face. Using clean fingers or a brush, evenly spread the mask onto your skin, avoiding the delicate eye area. Take this moment to relax and let the mask work its magic. Leave on time and removal. Allow the mask to sit on your face for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, you can indulge in some self-care activities like reading a book or listening to calming music. Once the time is up, gently rinse off the mask using lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Enjoy the results. Behold! Your skin is now refreshed, nourished, and glowing. The DIY face mask has worked wonders to provide the care your skin deserves. Remember to moisturize afterward to lock in the benefits of the mask. Creating your own DIY face mask is not only a fun and relaxing activity but also a wonderful way to give your skin a natural boost. Experiment with different ingredients and find the perfect combination that suits your needs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty and self-care tips. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful.